Welcome to the Cyberfacti Academy podcast, where we explore cutting-edge topics like deepfake detection, AI-driven compliance, and the latest advancements in cyber defense. Let's dive into the show with your host, Luis Oliveira.
Hello and welcome to Cyberfacti podcast. Today, we're going to talk about the Cyberfacti Academy project. Our mission is to build an ecosystem where students, newcomers, and enthusiasts can thrive in AI and cybersecurity, where they can advance in the process of learning by connecting with people with perks and with ability to help them to set their feet into a promising cybersecurity AI job. Plus, I'm also going to bring in this podcast, I'm going to be sharing an exciting opportunity for you to participate on contributing with Cyberfacti Academy with articles, podcasts, and much more. Let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. What is Cyberfacti Academy? Cyberfacti Academy is more than an education platform. It's a dynamic ecosystem where people from all walks of life can connect and come together to learn, collaborate, and grow, whether you're a student, a newcomer, or an experienced professional. Cyberfacti Academy provides the tools, resources, and community to support to help you to thrive. Our focus isn't just on teaching theories. We emphasize real-world applications like using AI for deepfake detection, understanding synthetic fraud, and mastering frameworks like SOC CMM. But it's not just about learning skills. It's about becoming part of a global movement to innovate and make a difference in AI and cybersecurity. Now, why is Cyberfacti Academy different from other platforms? Here I'm going to bring three different reasons. So first reason is the community-driven learning. At Cyberfacti Academy, we believe in learning from each other. Our ecosystem encourages collaboration through forums, group projects, and mentorship programs. Number two, hands-on experiences. Knowledge without application doesn't stick, right? That's why we provide hands-on projects, real-world scenarios that let you apply what you learned immediately. And number three, accessibility for all. AI and cybersecurity aren't just two experts. We are designing our resources to be accessible to anyone, regardless of their background and experience level. I'm going to be showing you the website up here, all the sectors that we have already, and we're going to bring more information that will be available for you and for all the subscribers. So let's dive into the website now. Cyberfacti Academy is supposed to empower professionals and students to conquer the future of cybersecurity and AI. Of course, with confidence, innovation, and mastery. At Cyberfacti Academy, we provide cutting-edge training, resources, and community-driven learning to stay ahead in the digital world. Okay, so here you can learn more. If you get in here, you can, enter your information and put the message. I would like to ask you guys to put a message on what stage are you in the learning process of these two domains, cybersecurity and AI, and anything else that you would like to. All right. So we have the free articles, everything that is up to date on the moment that I wrote this or some other people writes this. You're going to get all the articles from here. And also we're going to be giving free PDF. We're going to be giving free report and also training videos on the website. You can check about myself, my career, and some of the testimonials, our mission, and we're also going to have all the contributors also listed in here as a part of the community, part of the team. So contact basically the same. You can enter information and you can ask questions from contact, and the services will be found on this part of the website. This is a website. We also have YouTube channel that you can get free stuff, free training. We have podcasts, X account, Instagram, and TikTok. So you can always go and check what we're doing in the social medias as well. And again, it can all be accessed by you, and you can also contribute as long as you subscribe to the Academy, all right? So this is supposed to be free access to everyone, and so that we can exchange information, we can connect with professionals, we can connect with whoever is starting, we can connection with the developers and everybody. We can get into this ecosystem of Cybersecurity Academy. So that being said, let's go back to the next point. All right, you all, pay attention, this is the important part. So we have a product that we will create an AI service that will help individuals to understand whether they need AI in the current job or not. Think about it. AI is transforming every industry, right? But not everyone knows how it fits into the specific role. This service that we wanted to build as a result of this project is going to be able to analyze your current job responsibilities, highlight areas where AI could make your work more efficient and innovative, provide personalized learning paths that will help you to gain the necessary AI skills. And here's where you come in. We invite newcomers, students, and enthusiasts to collaborate with us on building and testing this tool. By participating, you will not only gain hands-on experience, but also contribute to resources that will help countless others in the AI journey. How does that sound to you? Do you want to be engaged in this project? Let me know. Let me know here in the comments. Send me a direct message with your name, what stage are you in your learning process, and let me know if you are interested in participating. I will contact you in the next 48 hours as the moment that we publish the podcast. All right. Also, this podcast video will be in the YouTube channel and some other social media. So you can, where you see us, you can go ahead and send us a message. We are going to be contacting you to understand if you do want to participate or not. All right? So looking forward to that. So remember, Cyberfacti Academy isn't just about learning. It's about personal and professional growth, right? So we're going to help you in these domains of the learning process. So we're going to be connecting you with expert leaders. We are going to have workshops prepared where you can learn from leaders of AI and cybersecurity space. It's going to serve as a career guidance for the people in the community, for the people from the Cyberfacti Academy, that will get you advices on transitioning into AI-focused roles. So it's going to be, that's the goal, to be a global community, connect with peers, mentors, and professionals worldwide. So whether you are exploring AI for the first time or looking to advance your career, we are here to support you in every step of the way. So I would like to thank you for being in this podcast episode. And as we wrap up, I want to remind you that Cyberfacti Academy is more than a platform. It's a movement that empowers individuals, foster innovation, and prepare a new generation of AI and cybersecurity leaders. If you are excited as I am about the future of AI, don't wait, join us today. Head to our website to explore courses, join the community, and participate in the AI project. Follow us on all the platforms, all the social medias for updates, resources, and exclusive content. Until next time, keep learning, innovating, and leading. Please be aware and be safe. Bye for now. Take care.
Thanks for listening to the Cyberfacti Academy podcast. If you like it, subscribe, share, and join us next time. Be aware and be safe.